Hey guys, I'm doing this small video to show you the next project and ask about ideas because I really want. Look what I did, for the next project. I know, it looks very stupid. Now, normal person? Not very normal person. Yeah, I know. And what this do? Just flap the wings. Just it. Flap the wings, and when you press the button, they start automatically. Yeah. And what I like in this project, and just I like in this project, is the air going in your face, you know? And yeah, in the summer, yeah, I can imagine me in the beach using this air going in your face. Hey girls, oops, okay, sorry. I know, no more girls with this in the beach, guys. So yeah, this is the next project. You can see the mechanism here is very simple. I know. So, if you have better ideas, you can leave in the comments and I hope to improve that shit. Yeah, because I really want. So, yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.